Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will work on the project button traffic light. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the push button. Then the push button to the positive of the LED and then its negative to the ground. We will repeat this process for the other two LEDs as well. Let's go. Power to the push button to the positive of the LED, its negative to the ground. At the end, negative to the ground. Now, when I will press this push button, the red LED will start to glow. Let's see. Now let's test for the yellow and the green one. So, as long as we keep pushing the button, the LED will keep glowing. And it's done.